Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will cut and sew this beautiful two-piece set. Is a double-breasted jacket or vest and a pleated skirt. This is for a 3 to 4 year old toddler. It is super easy to make and is beginners friendly. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, then let's get started.
So for the dress, I used 1 yard of cotton fabric and elastic. Fold your fabric into two and fold again. So for the front, you leave 2 inches for the collar and lapel. The length of my top, I'm using 14 inches, both for hemming and stitching allowance. So this is the center back and center front, which is open. Let me fold this in. So from here, I'll measure 2.5 for the shoulder and mark. For the armhole, I will use 4.5. Here on the chest, I'll put her chest divided by 4, that is 6.5, and then I'll put half inch sewing allowance, that is 7.5. Here on the waist, I will put 7 inches. So this is the back and this is the front. I'm going to be cutting exactly this for the lining because of the lapel, so we'll be using the same fabric.
Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and drop a comment if you have any. Thank you.
For the skirt, this is for the front and this is for the back. The back is longer because the front will be having a waistband of 2.5 inches height. We'll minus the height of the band from the front skirt length. The length I want to use for the skirt part is 15 inches. 15 inches skirt length. For the back is going to have a band, an elastic band, so I added 1.5 inches for the elastic casing. That is why the back is 1.5 inches longer than the skirt length I want. So the width is 26 inches and the length is 15 inches for the back. And then for the front, if I minus the band height, that is going to be 2.5 inches plus joining allowance to the skirt part, that will be 15.5 inches. All right, so the width of this one is 36 inches. So for the front parts, we are going to be marking 2.5 inches 2.5 inches for the pleating, for the box pleat. Just keep marking 2.5, 2.5. So we are going to be making a kissing pleat. Simply take the 2.5 inches mark to meet the other 2.5 like so. You can iron it down. Now take this one to meet this one like so. Okay. Now take this one to meet this one. Okay, you can see what I am doing. Okay, so this is basically this front skirt. Just go ahead and iron it down so it will lay flat. Now we'll measure what we have, which is 13 inches. We'll use it to cut the band for the waist. So I'll simply fold fabric into two, fold again, mark band height because it's going to be 2.5, so I'll be using half inch to join it, so I'll mark 3 inches. The length of the front waist is 13 inches, so I'll mark it at 8 inches. Sorry, the upper part I'll measure it at 7 inches.